2024 Ferrari Daytona SP3. The Daytona SP3 enters the 2024 model year with 0 changes. The Daytona SP3 is already sold out, and of the 599 cars being assembled, 499 of them have been sold to owners who already purchased one of the previous Icona series cars, engine, transmission, and performance. The Daytona SP3 is propelled by the most powerful combustion engine ever used in a Ferrari road car, a naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 motor borrowed from the 812 Competizione that has been boosted by 10 ponies for a total of 829 horsepower. The V12, which revs to 9,500 RPM, also produces a healthy 514 pound-feet of torque, and the engine's output is routed to the rear wheels through a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic gearbox. The monocoque tub and body panels are fashioned from lightweight carbon fiber. Ferrari claims a dry weight of 3,275 pounds for the SP3. Given its weight-to-power ratio, it should have no trouble hitting 60 miles per hour in less than 3 seconds despite power going only to the rear wheels. 100 miles per hour should arrive in less than 6 as the SP3 blasts towards its claimed 211 miles per hour top speed. Price: $2 million. Interior, comfort, and cargo. The SP3's interior design is similar to most modern Ferraris, with its dashboard and 2 seats covered in a microfiber suede or leather and a digital gauge cluster and user interface borrowed from the SF90. The seats in the Daytona SP3 are fixed. Buyers can choose from 3 sizes and seatback angles. But the pedal box slides forward and back, allowing the driver to find the most comfortable driving position. Passenger side legroom, however, is tight due to the packaging of the climate control system, so taller right-seat riders may have to scrunch their legs to fit. The carbon fiber roof panel can be removed to provide an open-air experience and better hear the shrieking V12 behind your head. There is essentially 0 luggage space. A shallow tray under the front gable is only roomy enough to store a tool. Infotainment and connectivity. The Daytona SP3 doesn't feature a main touchscreen on the center console, but there is a digital dashboard display behind the steering wheel that uses the same interface as the SF90. Some of the settings, like the climate control, are adjusted via touch-sensitive panels to the right of the steering wheel, while the rest of the functions are operated via buttons and switches on the wheel. The SP3 is equipped with Bluetooth and Apple CarPlay, with USB ports to connect your phone. The rearview mirror also serves as a display for the backup camera. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for next interesting car reviews. Also turn on the notification bell. Thanks.